Hello, Jack here. Today I will take you go through XERO's new multi-tool demonstrations. When your tubeless tire has a puncture outside, this tool will come in handy to help you fix the puncture and continue your riding. XERO's multifunction adjustment tool provides a tubeless tire plug fork, valve core wrench, spoke nipple wrench, and tubeless repair kit. This compact tool body can be attached with any CO2 cartridge for a better operation and a better storage solution.
Hello, I am Ariel. I will talk a little about the other functions. When removing the valve, align the notch on the tool with the grooved position on the nozzle and make sure that the tool is properly fitted on the nozzle. Use another hand to hold the base of the valve to avoid rotation of the entire nozzle while turning the tool. When your disc brake rotor is not centered and rubbing, combine the tool with CO2 cartridge. CO2 cartridge can be used as a longer lever arm and easier to operate, and help adjust the problem of disc brake rubbing. During the process of adjusting the rotor, avoid over-adjusting in a single position. When encountering a punctured tubeless tire, firstly, put in retainer to the fork, then place the tire plug into the tip of the fork to repair the hole. When removing the fork, use the retainer to press against the tire surface to avoid pulling out the fork along with the plug. Meanwhile, using the retainer can also avoid damaging the wall of the rim when inserting it. Thanks for tuning in and checking out this demo. I hope you found it helpful. And if you're interested in learning more about XERO's products, be sure to check out our website, XEROwheel.com. In the end, remember to keep this tool in mind when you're looking for a tool that is compact and easier to use. See you in the next one.